Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Nellyvin's channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you guys for being part of this family. I really appreciate it. Okay, so today we'll be discussing and talking about how you can run some codes on the Python programming using Python to run a code for a 3D cone shape. So I'm just gonna show you now the codes you can use to run this on your Python. So now, if you already have the software, the Python software, you can easily, you can just go to your computer and bring that up. Okay, so I'm just gonna find my Python. Yeah, here it is. So I'm using Python 3.10. You can, if you're using 3.9, it's still okay. But if you do not have the software already downloaded, you can go to your Play Store, your Apple Store, download Python 3.10 or 3.9, either of them, anyone can do. So I've opened my Python up, and I'm just gonna open a new file, and I'm just gonna drag it to the right. So when I open the new file, I'll have to name my file. So I click on the file again and save as. So now I'll go to one of my folders on the computer. Preferably I like to use I like to save my my documents in documents or in downloads, so I can have easy access to them. So I'm just gonna use a document, and I'm just gonna name this cone shape. So you have to always give it a name, if not the code is not going to run. And so I'm just gonna save this. So when you save this, because for this thing to take place, you have to import Turtle. So I'm just gonna import Turtle. Turtle deals in kind of graphics. Any form of graphics in Python programming, you have to import Turtle. So I've imported Turtle, and the next one is I'm just gonna write out the code. Turtle bracket open and closed, enter. So these numbers are the sizes you want it to be. So I'm gonna make the speed to be 500. So for I in range, bracket open and close, 180. I want this to be 180. Enter. This is the forward, and the forward is going to be 100. Bracket closed. And I'm going to do the right side of the drawing. So I want this to be 30. Then forward again. Ninja.forward. I want this to be 20. Left. And I want this to be, this is the left side, and I want it to be 60. And I'm just gonna do the forward again, because it's a command, you're giving it a command, so it's gonna go forward, it's gonna go right. And this is forward. I'm gonna do this one forward. It's gonna be 50. Bracket closed. Enter. And I'm gonna do this right again. Ninja to right. And this should be, I'm gonna do this to 30. Yeah. Then I'm going to lift my pen When you're going to lift your pen, you have to say pen up. So I've lifted my pen. Then I have to set the position that I want it to be. So I'm just gonna set the position. I'll do this 0. As there is nothing much really, just because you have to be on the center, so I'll just leave it at 0. Then I have to drop my pen. So I'm just gonna say pen down. Bracket open and closed. And we're gonna take it, the drawing to the right. So I'm just gonna say to the right. Open, bracket open and closed. And I'm just gonna say, so I'm just let that you know I'm done. So I'm just gonna say that's all done. Open and closed, bracket. Yeah, this is all I need. So I'm going to do. I'm just gonna go through the codes and make sure there is no spelling error, because if there is spelling error, it's also going to affect the code to run. So like now I've seen that I need to put T on my right, so I'm just gonna put the T. Press up to import to the first line, Ninja to second line, bracket open and close. Ninja the speed, I want the speed to be 500, so bracket open and closed. For I in range, which is 180, Ninja dot forward is my 100. Ninja dot right is my 30. Ninja dot forward is my 20. Ninja dot left is my 60. Ninja dot forward is my 50. And the right is my 30. Then I've lifted my pen up, bracket open and close. Ninja dot set position, which is the position of the graphic, which is the cone. So I'll leave that at 0, 0. Then I've taken down my pen down, bracket open and closed. Then Ninja dot right at 2. Yeah, so bracket open and close, and Ninja dot 2 dot done. So that's it. I've just be sure there's no typing error on my code. So, and I've also just to make sure that this is saved and this is cone shape, it's saved. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just gonna click on run. I'm just gonna click on run. Let's see what this brings. Okay, so when this is see, it has opened a new window. This is where the code is running. You can see what's happening now. So it's going with the command I gave it. It's a command. It goes with your command. So it's going because I gave it, because my eye in range is 180, so it's going 180 degrees. It's not going to stop until the task is completed, as I've commanded it. So you can see this is a 3D cone shape. Okay guys, now you can easily run your code if you want to do your 3D cone shape on your Python programming. So I hope this helps. Okay, thank you guys for popping in. Thank you guys for being part of this channel. I really appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Please subscribe, share with friends and family. So there are some people we know that are new to programming and everything tech. So I'm sure they will appreciate this. So share it with them. They will happy you did. Okay guys, thank you. Do have a good day now. Bye.